We are here today doing a stucco inspection on this beautiful house with Fred Hutcherson. He is the owner of Hutcherson Stucco. Thank you so much, Fred. You did a wonderful, very thorough job for us. So how long have you been in business for?
7 years. Been in the construction business for 30.
Okay, great. And so, Fred, what would be some tips that you would give to a home buyer considering buying a stucco home?
All right, you would always want to make sure you have proper through-wall flashing, kick-out diverters over all the roof areas, and proper sealants up to date. You know, no cracking, no failures. And that would be all your penetration, your electrical outlets, windows, doors, and flashing around your decks. Those are the most important things.
Wonderful. And so you do both inspections and you also do work?
Yes, correct.
Wonderful. And then what would be some tips that you would give for a homeowner? Because we do get a lot of people that move from out of the area and they find a beautiful stucco home, but they know nothing about maintenance. So what were some tips you would give for a homeowner of a stucco home?
An elastomeric coating is a must on this beautiful Gulf Coast. If your house has never been painted, if it's 10 to 12 years old, it's time to get an elastomeric coating on it. It's basically a rubber shield over that protects the stucco. So all the minute cracks that happen from settlement or just cracking in the corner of a window band or anything, it feels all that. And staying up on your sealants, making sure there's no separation, no cracking, and it's about every 5 to 7 years on this Gulf Coast.
Okay, so that was my next question. For a homeowner, they should have somebody like you come out and look at it every 5 to 7 years.
Yes,
to do some maintenance on it.
Yes.
Well, wonderful. Thank you so much, Fred. This has been very informative and very hot.
Yes, it's very hot today.
It's very hot today on the Gulf Coast, so I appreciate you. And if somebody wants to get a hold of you, how can they reach you?
We're on Google. We're on Facebook. It's Hutcherson Stucco and Stone LLC. My number is 850-324-5391. You can find us on Facebook or Google.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Fred.
All right, thank you.
Hi, if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in the Panhandle, then subscribe below so you can learn about things to do, things to look out for if you're looking to buy or sell a home, and all sorts of other great information. Hey there, I'm Paula Snow with eXp Realty, and I moved to the area about 20 years ago, and I have loved living here. This has been a great place to watch my kids grow up. People are super friendly here, and so if you are considering a move to this area, whether it be in 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, we would love to help you. All of our contact information is down below, so feel free to either send a message or we could schedule a Zoom meeting, and we would love to help you get started and help you make a smooth move to Florida.
There's a coating underneath, it's sand that you can see it. There's flashing overlapping that, and they tie it in, and then they have these boards turned up, this deck screwed to it. This made the drains very good system. But this is the only problem we always...
Is getting behind it? Or all the penetrations?
It's the penetrations.
Okay.
You can see this is good, see the silicone?
Yeah.
And then you have nothing.
Yeah.
And these, see here?
Yeah.
We like to horseshoe that with the silicone.
Okay.
You could do the color or you could do the clear, different choice. Now,
So would you even want to see silicone like around these screws there?
yes.
Yes?
And
Okay.
it's not so it could run behind it.
Yeah.
But I just like to do the top and come down.
Okay.
That way nothing can.
Yes, get back there.
See, this it opens up and has the bolts in the back.
Yeah.
So water can run down behind it.
Right.
And we don't like to. It's just safe than sorry.
Absolutely.
And see, this is still. This is not.
Yeah, right, yeah. Yeah, compared to the one we did in Cantonment?
Yes, because I'll tell you what they didn't have was this.
Okay.
And I'm not even sure they had through-wall flashing. And that's the number one. But it's the year the house was built. See, this is what you like to see.
Yeah.
I know that, that doesn't necessarily look good, but that's what you want for
for protection. Yeah.
Because I'll tell you, with the water, the winds and the rain, you get out here, it just takes a pinhole. And see, this is what we look for with the window sills. You start seeing a little bit of separation.
Yeah.
So that's not saying that's bad, but that's how it starts.
Yeah.
Right there.
Okay.
So.
And so really staying on top of the maintenance to know when you did it, and then when it's due again. So do you feel like that is something the homeowner needs to keep track of the dates, or do you?
No, it's just, see, if you're my customer, yes, we do.
You let them know when it's time to come back. Okay.
So I just did, he's a captain in the Navy, retired, last name's Bird, and he had some water damage for no through-wall flashing, or improper through-wall flashing. And then he had termite damage. We tore his walls out, did repairs. It's on my Facebook page. And we got everything installed properly, and we resealed all the windows and doors on his house. And he knows, in 5 years, give Fred a call.
Okay.
Come check out everything. We're looking at probably 7 where he's located, but I told him just keep an eye on it, and I'm showing him. I just show my customers. See this right here?
Yeah.
See that right there? That's where the nightmare begins.
Yeah.
Right there.
A tiny little crack.
Look right there.
Yeah.
So that's the beginning of separation. And what we do is one of the most important things to see. These windows have been glazed as well, so that's very good. So they've resealed the window panes.
Okay.
It's very good. But so what we do, if we were going to repair this, if a repair was needed, we cut all this out. We clean all this with denatured alcohol, because you can see.
Yeah, it's coming off on your fingers.
It's the salt, the air, and it won't bond. It'll stick to that, and it won't stick to the frame.
Okay.
You have to clean and prep everything properly, and it's a process, but I'll make sure I got that picture while I'm. Get across the bed. Yeah, see that?
I thought I could see that when we were on the balcony.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Let's see, that's good. See all that salt built up?
Yeah.
And it's just running out. It's a good thing. Everything's sealed pretty good, but you can just write high exposures from sun. Yeah, look at that.
Wow, comes right off on your fingers.
It's just salt dust. It's salt, and then now that dust sticks to it. But they did very good. I mean, they did very good. It's not really bad.
A sealant around that, like silicone?
Yeah, horseshoe, because literally behind that it's just that switch with wiring. So. Just take a picture of it. If you'll notice, so lean out where the white sealant meets the beige diverter.
Yeah.
It's kind of cracking and splitting. Reseal.
Okay.
So,
like right over there.
Upper porch. Around deck. Looks good. Recommend reseal the seams. collapse underneath your laminate, and then it hangs down over. But this fascia board hopefully is over. No, see the drip edges out there, but somehow water is getting between that one vine and soffit.
And that's why we're seeing all that staining there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Oh yeah, and it runs all the way down.
And it even looks like the board, see down there, how it kinda
Yeah.
looks like it's swole out a little bit.
Yeah.
So you may have something going on up there.
Okay.
Because normally, so if you ever see cracking in stucco, it's only for one reason. There is water behind it, the wood is swelling, it's shrinking, something is moving around.
Okay.
It just means you'll get a hairline crack from hard coat, but it's like a hairline crack. If you see it, run here, run in there, yeah, something's going on behind it. Talking about this, and see, this looks good. That looks very good. It's just a lab.
Where the two pieces come together.